If you want to train your own robot, check out this playlist. There I explain you how to set up the environment and how to script and train the agent. But for now, enjoy the show! Thank you for watching, and if you want to see the continuation of the story, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like reinforcement learning, take a look at my playlist where I explain how to set up these environments and how to train the agent. And if you like this channel a lot, you can even check out my merch on Amazon, where you can directly support this channel by purchasing cool clothes. That's it for now, and see you next time.